Hey there everyone, welcome back to Jay Get It. If you're new here, I'm Jay, and today we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of financial health, saving money. Trust me, it's going to be fun and super rewarding. So what does it mean to save money? Simply put, saving money is setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It's about preparing for unexpected expenses, big purchases, and your financial future. Let's start with the basics. One of the first things you should save for is an emergency fund. This is a stash of money that you can use for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Next, let's talk about other savings goals. Maybe you're saving for a big purchase like a new phone or vacation, or maybe you're thinking about long-term and saving for retirement. Whatever your goals are, having a plan makes it easier to reach them. Here are some tips to help you save money effectively. Tip number 1, pay yourself first. By paying yourself first before you spend any money, set aside a portion of your income for savings. You can automate this by setting up a direct deposit into your savings account. Tip number 2, cut down on unnecessary expenses. Look at your budget and see where you can cut back. Maybe you can cook at home more often instead of eating out, or cancel subscriptions you don't use. Tip number 3, use savings challenges. These are fun ways to boost your savings. For example, try the 52-week challenge, where you save an increasing amount each week, or the non-spend challenge, where you avoid spending on non-essentials for a set period. Now, I want you to think about your savings goals. What are you saving for? How much do you need to save? Write it down and make a plan. And here's a fun activity. Create a vision board with pictures of your savings goals and keep it somewhere where you can see every day. It'll keep you motivated. Share your savings goals and tips in the comments below. I love hearing your stories and seeing how you're making progress. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. We've got some great tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, every little bit you save today brings you closer to your financial goals. See you in the next episode of Jay Get It. And remember, the only people who get it are the people who get it. Goodbye.